Okay, welcome to Locally Hosted. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. We cover AI, ML, dev tools, and infra.
This week, Microsoft is letting AI build your Windows apps.
Yeah, and it's not just snippets. It's the whole lifecycle.
Wait, the entire lifecycle? From scratch to shipping?
Exactly. It's a new repo called WinDev Skills.
And it works with Copilot, Claude, and OpenAI Codex?
It's a plugin that plugs into those agents for WinUI 3.
So you ask the AI to scaffold, design, build, test?
Yes, it covers the end-to-end inner loop for devs.
But how do you actually install this thing? Is it hard?
Microsoft made it stupidly simple for Copilot users.
You mean you just paste a prompt to install it?
Right. You paste a script, and it installs the plugin.
And it checks your prerequisites automatically?
It checks for .NET SDK, 8+, WinApp CLI, and templates.
It even handles developer mode? That's usually painful.
It asks for UAC permission. If you decline, it gives the command.
So it's a one-shot setup. No manual registry edits?
Exactly. It prints a summary of what was installed.
That's huge. Usually, setup is half the battle.
But here's the catch. It's still in preview.
Preview? So expect breaking changes?
Yes. Skill names, layouts, configs can change anytime.
No Semver commitment until v1.0?
Correct. They suggest pinning to a release tag for stability.
Oh, okay, so it's powerful but risky for production code?
Outputs are suggestions. You must review everything.
Not authoritative answers. Good to know.
Don't commit or ship AI-generated code blindly.
So who is this for? Just WinUI 3 developers?
Batik, specifically for native Windows apps using Windows App SDK.
And it supports C templates?
Yes. It installs the WinUI 3 C templates if missing.
What if I don't use Copilot? Can I use Claude?
Yes. It's a plugin for any supported AI agent.
So the ecosystem is expanding for Windows Dev?
It's trying to make Windows App Dev as easy as web.
Is there any downside to this approach?
You rely on the agent's understanding of WinUI 3.
If the agent hallucinates, your app breaks?
Exactly. That's why manual review is non-negotiable.
Okay, so it's a Copilot, not autopilot.
Precisely. It accelerates the loop, but you steer.
Can I install it via the marketplace directly?
Yes, via Copilot plugin marketplace add.
Or manually? Like Copilot plugin install WinUI 3.
Yes, or via the awesome Tome Copilot list.
Does it handle testing and packaging too?
Yes, it covers scaffold through ship.
That's a massive scope for a preview release.
It's ambitious, but the potential is real.
So should we trust it for a real project?
Use it for scaffolding. Review every line of code.
And pin to a tag if you need stability?
Yes, don't use the rolling marketplace version.
Got it. Pin to tag, review code, stay safe.
Exactly. It's a tool, not a replacement for devs.
All right, that's all we got this week.
If this blew your mind, come back next time.
Subscribe to Locally Hosted for more deep dives.
Original source is linked in the description.
Thanks for watching. We'll probably break it again.